You can't just use any paint when it comes to leather and vinyl. Whether you're touching up old, cracked, and faded leather, repairing and restoring, or doing a complete color change, make sure you use the right paint, like ColorBond LVP. Interior parts are constantly being handled. That's why ColorBond LVP Color Coat penetrates deep into your leather and vinyl and forms a permanent molecular bond. With its highly durable formula, it will not flake, crack, or peel while still allowing the original surface leather grain and texture to show through and maintain its original soft and supple feel. And ColorBond LVP dries to the touch in about 45 seconds. To apply, first scuff with scuffing paste and a gray scuff pad. Then thoroughly clean with water before applying ColorBond Prep Cleaner. After completely dried, lightly dry sand with 600 to 1000 grit sandpaper. Next, clean again with 70% isopropyl alcohol. Then apply your desired ColorBond LVP top coat. With an easy vehicle lookup on their website and over 150 plus interior colors available from popular OEMs, you know they'll have the right ColorBond LVP paint for your project. This tip brought to you by ColorBond, a complete touch-up paint solution inside and out.